Do you ever feel like you're capable of so much more? That deep down inside, there's untapped potential just waiting to be unleashed? Well, today is the day to transform your life and become the best version of yourself. First up, let's talk about setting goals. Setting clear, realistic goals is essential for success. It gives you a direction to focus your energy and a roadmap to follow. So take a moment to envision your future self and what you want to achieve. Write it down and make it happen. Next, it's time to take action. A dream without action is just a wish. Break down your big goals into smaller, manageable steps and take consistent action towards them. Remember, baby steps still move you forward. Don't wait for the perfect moment, start now. Now, let's talk about having a positive mindset. Your thoughts shape your reality, so it's crucial to feed your mind with positivity. Surround yourself with uplifting people, read inspirational books, and practice gratitude daily. Believe in yourself and your abilities, because you are capable of greatness. Another important strategy is to embrace failure. Yes, failure is not the opposite of success, it's a part of it. Learn from your mistakes, adapt, and keep moving forward. Don't let fear of failure hold you back. Embrace it, because each failure brings you closer to success. Lastly, take care of yourself. Success is not just about achieving goals, it's about living a balanced and fulfilling life. Engage in self-care, nourish your body and mind, and find time for the things you love. Remember, success is not just about the destination, it's about the journey. So, are you ready to unleash your potential and transform your life? The power is in your hands. Take that first step, set your goals, take action, cultivate a positive mindset, embrace failure, and prioritize self-care. Trust the process and don't give up. You have what it takes to live a successful and fulfilling life. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more motivational content. Together, let's become the best version of ourselves.